Today I'm going to show you how to use Olaplex number 4 and number 5 Bond Maintenance Shampoo and Conditioner. So we're going to start with Olaplex number 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo. Now I love number 4 because it rebuilds the internal structure of my hair by using Olaplex's patented bond building technology. So it is cleansing my hair, it's rebuilding the bonds, making my hair healthier and stronger, shinier, and it's moisturizing at the same time. It's sulfate free, it's color safe, and you only need the tiniest bit to get this nice, delicious lather. That's it. That's all I use. You're gonna lather it in your hand and emulsify it, which helps activate the product. You're gonna rinse it off and then follow with the Olaplex number 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. On to number 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner by Olaplex. So what I like about number 5 is that it is very luxurious, thick, extremely hydrating while rebuilding the bonds in the hair. I use a very little bit again, and I think that's a theme with Olaplex products is that a little does go a long way. So I'm gonna put about that much. Check that out. And then apply it mids to ends to ensure a full saturation. Hot tip, if your hair is very wet when you're applying, maybe step away from the water and try to drain out any excess moisture. Number 4, number 5 from Olaplex Bond Maintenance Shampoo and Conditioner.